I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but I set my OBS using auto configuration wizard, expecting the bitrate will be set up to at least 5000 bitrate, but it turned out to be 3500 bitrate. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video gonna be a part 2 of the capture card that I bought and got 2 weeks ago. And today's video is gonna be about the video quality. I'm gonna be recording using a Nintendo Switch and 1080p 60 fps, of course, and also my thought and my opinion about the capture card. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, you can watch it after this video, or you can watch that one first and then continue watching this one. In that video I show you about the delay using my old laptop back there. It's still there. 2 weeks experience with this capture card is really great, really awesome. I like it. It's my first capture card after all, so it's awesome. It's really great. In my opinion, the video quality is really great, really awesome. It's worth getting. It's worth buying. I got no complaint about this capture card so far. You can comment in the comment section below if you need help about this capture card. I will respond as fast as possible as I can. So overall, it's great. As I said, I got no complaint about this thing. It's really awesome. So I guess that's it for the video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video. Stay awesome.